prompt.
Afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Hello, madam.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, madam.
Madam,
Yes.
Here, ma'am.
Yes. Audible.
Slow.
हाँ, madam. Vaishnavi, can start the program now.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, all of you. Should I start, ma'am? Mahajan, ma'am, should I start for meeting? Am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Let me start. Welcome, welcome, beloved, welcome to the respected dignitaries and dais. I'm Vaishnavi Panchar, the student of BA LLB third year and having to taking the charge of this anchoring of today's program. I warmly welcome all you present, beloved principal ma'am, all you newcomers and respected guests for the today's program and a resource person, Dr. Radhe Raghunath Rao Khetre sir, and warm welcome from the Dayanand Educational Society's Dayanand Law College. And special welcome to the chairperson of today's program, Dr. Nathani ma'am, who inherently working for the students, and coordinator Mrs. Dr. S.A. Mahajan ma'am, who is executive head of this program. And I warmly, pleasingly welcome to the Dr. Radhe Raghunath Rao Khetre sir, who are present here from their high tight schedule only for us. Someone said that half knowledge is more dangerous than knowing nothing. And learning is that you suddenly understand something you have understood all your life, but in a new way. And students for our college, I want to tell you one thing. Let me redesign your career perspective about our college. And I know that you all are new here. And let me know about that. Dayanand College, Dayanand Education Society, Dayanand Law College, which are going to about Dayanand Education Societies, Dayanand Law College, which are going to play a crucial role and irreplaceable role for making and defining your all careers for lifespan as you chose as a profession of advocacy. And this program is conducted to introduce for the newcomers and our beloved college to introduce the college and organs of cells working here for all of us. Now, I want to invite Dr. Sangeeta S.A. Mahajan ma'am for giving the program's greetings and for the giving information about this program. Dr. S.A. Mahajan ma'am, please.
Yes, thank you, Vaishnavi. Good afternoon, Khetre sir, our guest for the today's program. Dear students, principal madam and my all colleague faculty, I welcome for this program. And today's induction program is for first year students, and which is for newly admitted students who are to ease transition into a new academic environment. And this induction program includes orientation sessions which introduce students about the campus, its facilities and resources, and familiarization with academic departments. As you know, for today's induction, we have invited Dr. Radhe Raghunath Rao Khetre sir, our learned alumni, who will share his experience in medical legal field. The program also covers speeches from our beloved principal ma'am and key faculty members to inspire and motivate the new students. They will provide information about academic overview, various courses, tentative examination schedules, and academic expectations. Available support services, resources, infrastructure available in our college. Overall, it's a comprehensive program aimed at setting a solid foundation for students' academic and personal growth throughout their college journey. On this occasion, I welcome all students and all staff and Khetre sir for the program. Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Thank you, Mahajan ma'am. Now, I would like to invite the chairperson of this program and principal of Dayanand Law College, as he is working as the cover of our book, our Dayanand Law College, for giving the guidance and greetings to the students for this today's program. Dr. Nathanya ma'am, please.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Respected our today's esteemed guest, Dr. Khetre sir, our all beloved faculty members, staff, and most importantly, our fresh batches of LLB first year, BA LLB first year, DTL students, and LLM first year students. I extend my warm greetings to all of you on this momentous occasion. Though it has become late in organizing this induction program, immediately after your admission process we would have arranged, but due to some other commitments it got late. But well, this semester you are marking the beginning of an incredible journey in the realm of legal education. To our new students, I congratulate them for choosing our college as their academic home, and I welcome them, and they have joined a legacy of excellence, and we are committed to nurturing your intellectual and personal growth. I would like to express at the very outset, I would like to thank and express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Khetre sir. Sir, I am very happy to receive you at this virtual platform. Actually, physically, we wanted to invite you, but due to your tight schedule, sir, you could not come. But next time, we will be expecting physical presence only, sir, because you are inspiration for us. You are working as a doctor in the government hospital, and in many different areas you have worked. You have wide knowledge of forensic science department also, forensic lab. You have worked there also, and side by side you did your LLB. I feel it is strengthening your profession, and more efficiently you are able to do your duties. So you are proud alumni of our college. I am very thankful to you, sir, for gracing this occasion, and your presence is really inspiration for us, and it motivates our students to strive for excellence. I want to give the message to my all beloved newcomers and new students that as you embark on this journey, remember that legal education, it is noble profession in which you have entered, and it will empower you to shape the society and to uphold the justice. It is actually the very prime and crucial responsibility given by our profession to impart the justice. For that, you need to have critical thinking, analytical thinking, communication skills, and many other skills are required to get the success. So from our side, we are trying our best to have your personality development through various activities, and we are providing many opportunities to students to come and participate in curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities also. Just as today our students are moving for a youth festival, we have invited all the students to come and participate in cultural activities, sports and many others. It will help you it will help you to have the teamwork, and it will help you to learn the mutual respect for each other, which is very dynamic and required for the legal profession. And our institution is constantly striving to provide the quality education, along with that all other facilities which are required for the personality development. So once again I would like to thanks to Khetre sir for giving your time for and having accepting our invitation, readily accepting our invitation, sir. Thank you very much. And I hope that we are trying from our side, sir. Your contribution is required, and the very first thing, the participation of students are required in each and every activity. So let us come together to create a transformative educational experience. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, respected dignitaries on the dais and faculty staff and all students present here and our beloved source person, it gives me great pleasure to introduce the chief guest of this inaugural function. We are honored this evening by the presence of Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Radhe Raghunath Rao Khetre sir, MBBS MD in Forensic Science. He is gold medalist and received Vice Chancellor's First Merit Certificate, currently working as a senior autopsy surgeon come associate professor in the Department of Forensic Medicines and Toxicology in a government medical college and hospital in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. When we talk about the medicology work experience of sir, it is more than 15 years. Till the date, he has conducted more than 5,000 of postmortems. Also, he has vast experience of handling all types of antemortem, postmortem cases, inclusive of a very sensitive and law order situations, negligence, custody of deaths, homicide, rape, and murder cases, etc. Our guest is formerly teacher of MBBS undergraduate professor students with the experience of 5 years of their MD forensic medicine, postgraduate teachers. He has more than 10 years of teaching experience. He worked as more than 5 years as an examiner in MUHS Nashik University. Being as a doctor is not an easy job. Certified, they have to sacrifice their personal time to attend emergency cases. Working in they are very prone to get affected by contagious diseases. Despite that involved risks, they love their jobs and services for the society selflessly. I want to tell you in a quote for the Marathi, for introduce you, sir. वेळेने दाखवलं काळाने शिकवलं. वेळेनं दाखवलं काळाने शिकवलं, नकारांनी वाढवलं, अपमानांनी घडवलं. व्यक्ती बनतात घडतात, परंतु दाखवणं, शिकवणं, वाढवणं, घडवणं शेवटी हे अनुभवांचंच कृत्य. आणि अशा अनुभवपूर्ण व्यक्तींचे बोल आम्हास ऐकण्यास भेटावेत हे आमचे भाग्य. And so that I want to request today's special guest, Dr. Radhe Raghunath Rao Khetre sir, to guide for the students who are here to deliver his experience. Dr. Radhe Raghunath Rao sir. Thank you.
Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. First of all, very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Chairperson, Honorable Principal Madam Nathani Madam, then Honorable respected all staff members, Sangeeta Mahajan Madam, Bajpai Sahib. So all my Dayanand Law College staff I'm first of all, very thankful for giving me this opportunity to interact with you, all of you, especially those students which entered in this noble profession, isn't it? So first of all, I would like to congratulate them for entering in this noble profession. कि जो अभी आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में जिन्होंने एडमिशन लिया है, तो ऐसा मत समझना कि हमने कुछ पाया है। आपने अभी लाइफ का शुरुआत किया है, तो दिस इज द वॉर बिगिंस नाउ। तो आपका जो लड़ाई है लाइफ का अभी यहाँ से चालू हो जाता है। तो हमको क्या करना है कि जो हमने ये नोबल प्रोफेशन में जो एंट्री किए हैं, तो इसके बारे में हम तो ठीक है बहुत सारे इस प्रोफेशन में आने के लिए, या फिर मैं जैसे मेडिकल प्रोफेशन है, बाद में मैंने लॉ में एडमिशन लिया और LLB कंप्लीट किया, ह्यूमन राइट का सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स कंप्लीट किया। मैंने क्यों ऐसा किया, तो इसके पीछे बहुत सारे रीजन है, तो मैं एक एक आपको बताऊंगा। उसके पहले हमने ये प्रोफेशन क्यों चूज किया है। Law is a very noble profession, legal is a very noble profession, and it is correlated with the medicine. So medicine and law has a hand-to-hand relationship. So first of all, ignorance of law is excuses no one, and the net of law is spread so wide and no sinner from its swipe may hide. तो हमको ये जानना जरूरी है कि every citizen of our country must know is a law of land, is or her law of land. हमको हमारे यहाँ कंट्री का, हमारे नेशन का जो लॉ ऑफ लैंड है, सुप्रीम लॉ ऑफ लैंड है, वो हमको आना बहुत जरूरी है। दूसरी चीज है कि जुडिशरी जो है कि हम हमारा सबसे हाईएस्ट रिस्पेक्ट किसको देते हैं तो हम जुडिशरी को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। तो अपेक्स कोर्ट है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, हाई कोर्ट्स है। सो ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट्स, ऑनरेबल अदर सेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स। तो वहां पे जो वो पोजीशन पे बैठे हैं उस जगह को हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि वी बिलीव इन दैट कि आवर जुडिशरी सिस्टम गिव अस द जस्टिस। इट गिव्स जस्टिस टू अ कॉमन person, it gives the justice to an aggrieved person because they have faith on this judiciary system of our nation. कि हम न्याय व्यवस्था, न्यायपालिका में क्यों इतना ये करते हैं, क्योंकि हमको जरूरत है। यहाँ कहीं भी अगर झगड़ा होता है तो दे अप्रोच द कोर्ट, बराबर है। कोई डिस्प्यूट होता है तो दे अप्रोच द कोर्ट। तो देर आर द n number of the problems are there in the nation. There are the n number of the opportunities for the newcomers. So what are the opportunities? First of all कि हम लॉ में आए हैं, इस प्रोफेशन में हम ये नोबल प्रोफेशन में जब काम कर रहे हैं, तो हम हमारा क्या इंपॉर्टेंस होना चाहिए, क्या एम्स होने चाहिए, क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होने चाहिए, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्योंकि हमको एज अ प्रोफेशनल इथिक्स वी हैव टू फॉलो दैट प्रोफेशनल इथिक्स। उसमें क्या है कि जैसे हम सिर्फ पैसा कमाने के लिए हमने ये प्रोफेशन नहीं चूज किया है। देयर आर मेनी अदर प्रोफेशंस फॉर द गेटिंग मनी। तो माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि हम अगर नॉलेज कोई चीज का, कोई सब्जेक्ट का अगर लेते हैं, तो उसमें हमको वो पूरा नॉलेज वो सब्जेक्ट का, that is for the betterment of the society, not for the no doubt there should be the personal benefit is vested in our profession कि हम कि ठीक है मैं मेडिकल प्रोफेशन में मैं आज काम कर रहा हूँ तो मेरा उसमें फायदा है, मुझे नौकरी है, उस नौकरी पे मैं मेरा घर वगैरह चलाता हूँ, बराबर है। लेकिन मेरा पहला एम ये होना चाहिए कि नहीं, मेरे नॉलेज से मैं सोसाइटी का कैसे बेटरमेंट कर सकता हूँ, उसको सोसाइटी में कैसे हार्मोनी कर सकता हूँ। तो लेट अस I want to share my experiences how that my medical profession and the additional legal degrees of the LLB and human right knowledge which inculcated in me that helped me a lot in my professional career. कि जैसे मैंने बहुत सारे पोस्टमार्टम कंडक्ट किए, वैरायटी ऑफ पोस्टमार्टम्स कंडक्ट किए, रेप एंड मर्डर केसेस, कस्टोडियल केसेस, those cases which are related with the human right issues, negligence cases, and number of suicide homicides are there including in that. So in this case what I personally, when I attended the summons in the court of law, कि मर्डर के केस में मुझे समन्स आता है, वहां पे मैं जाता हूँ। और उसमें क्या है कि जैसे डिफेंस लॉयर्स जो रहते हैं वो बहुत तैयारी करके आते हैं, बराबर है। तो हम भी तैयारी करके जाते हैं, लेकिन वो उससे ज्यादा तैयारी करके आते हैं डिफेंस लॉयर। तो डिफेंस लॉयर जब हमको एक एक चीज मेडिकल के बारे में पूछते हैं या फिर वो सब्जेक्ट मैटर के बारे में पूछते हैं, तो अगर वहां कम पड़ गए, बराबर है, तो उसमें क्या हो जाएगा, देयर इज अ इनजस्टिस। I'm not saying that it is a failure of a prosecution, but what if there is a acquittal get to the genuine accused? So acquittal get to the real accused, real accused. So it is not a success of a defense, it is a failure of the prosecution, and I am also part of that prosecution. So हमारे अपने जो अभी जो करियर कर रहे हैं इसमें, तो कोई पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर बन जाएगा, कोई ऑनरेबल जज बन जाएंगे, तो बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके ऊपर है, तो हमको क्या चूज करना है, बराबर है। तो हमको एक सोसाइटी में एक हार्मोनी लाना है, एक सोशल बेटरमेंट के लिए काम करना है, तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं? देखो, अगर मैं मेडिसिन फील्ड से हूं, तो मैंने क्यों एलएलबी को ऑप्ट किया? तो आई हैव वेरी इंटरेस्ट इन द लीगल सिस्टम बिकॉज it gives us confidence, it gives us you the you know the your rights, what are my rights and what are my privileges and what are my duties. तो हमको हमारे प्रिविलेजेस क्या है, हमारे ड्यूटीज क्या है, ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स नेशन क्या है, ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स स्टेट क्या है, ड्यूटी टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी क्या है, ये हमको लॉ सिखाता है। अगर हम उसमें कुछ गलतियां करते हैं तो नो डाउट देयर इज अ पनिशमेंट। अगर मेरे पास लॉ का नॉलेज है तो आई विल नॉट कमिट दैट मिस्टेक, तो मैं वो गलतियां नहीं करूंगा जिसकी वजह से मैं प्रॉब्लम में आ जाऊं या फिर किसी और को प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़े। तो लॉ ऑफ लैंड शुड बी मस्ट नो टू एवरीवन। तो ये जो हमको कायदे का नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है। तो ये कि हमारे नेशंस के, हमारे स्टेट के और हमारे सोसाइटी के बारे में हम डेफिनेटली अच्छा कर सकते हैं। दूसरी चीज ये है कि जैसे कि इंट्रा डिपार्टमेंटल एक्टिविटी, जैसे फॉरेन कंट्रीज में कैसा है कि वहां पे मेडिसिन और लीगल सिस्टम, दिस दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए लीगल मेडिसिन, कि जैसे राइटली एप्टली सेड बाय द ऑनरेबल नाथानी मैडम दैट देयर मस्ट बी इंटरेक्शन, देयर मस्ट बी इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल एक्टिविटीज। सो कि मैं मेरा मेडिकल नॉलेज आपको शेयर करूं, आप आपका लीगल नॉलेज मुझे शेयर करेंगे, उस हिसाब से जो सोसाइटी में लैक्यूनीज है, व्हाई आवर प्रोसिक्यूशन सिस्टम इज फेलिंग, व्हाई देयर इज अ लेस रेट ऑफ द कन्विक्शन, मींस आरोपी को सजा क्यों नहीं मिलती, बिकॉज देयर इज अ 4 टायर सिस्टम, out of which one is the police department, another is the forensic medicine, that is my department, third department is the forensic science department, and fourth one is the honorable judiciary system. This is a 4 tier system. अगर एक भी टायर ये गाड़ी का अगर पंक्चर हो गया तो there will not be the justice to the aggrieved or the victim. This is my personal opinion, and हम अगर उस हिसाब से काम करेंगे, उस ईमानदारी से काम करेंगे, तो हमारे लिए बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, बहुत सारे पैसा कमाना ही हमारा एम नहीं होना चाहिए। हमारे प्रोफेशनल इथिक्स क्या कहते हैं, हमको वो प्रोफेशनल इथिक्स को पहले मॉरल इथिक्स एंड द नेचुरल लॉज जो कहते हैं उस हिसाब से जस्टिस बेस्ड होना चाहिए, उस हिसाब से हमको काम करना चाहिए। अभी आप एलएलबी के फर्स्ट ईयर में है, तो अभी तो बहुत लड़े, आपको आगे जाना है, तो मैं आपको करियर के लिए बहुत सारे शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूंगा। और दयानंद लॉ कॉलेज लातूर कि ये कॉलेज मुझे आज लगता है कि मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि मैंने लॉ फील्ड में करियर क्यों नहीं किया, और आज भी सोचता हूँ कि मैं आगे जाके मैं लॉ में ही प्रैक्टिस करूंगा। ऐसा नहीं कि देयर इज अ फेल्योर इन माय मेडिकल फील्ड, बट आई एम आल्सो होल्डिंग द एट टॉप मोस्ट पोजीशन इन दिस फील्ड आल्सो, बट आई हैव कि इफ यू हैव नॉलेज, मेडिसिन का नॉलेज है, लीगल नॉलेज है, तो आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। आपके साइन में, आपके रिपोर्ट में, आपके मतलब यू हैव दैट अथॉरिटी टू गिव द जस्टिस एज बिफोर द जुडिशरी, कि हम एक प्रकार का एक हमारे सोसाइटी में एक न्याय कर रहे हैं, इसकी एक भावना आती है। तो उसके लिए आपको बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा। ऐसा नहीं कि हर चीज इजी है, मुझे बहुत सारी तकलीफें झेलनी पड़ी हैं, बहुत सारे, मैं आज भी मेहनत करता हूँ। आज भी कोई कोर्स रहा रिलेटेड मेरे सब्जेक्ट के, तो मैं उसको एडमिशन लेके वो कोर्स कंप्लीट करने की, इन स्पाइट ऑफ माय हेक्टिक शेड्यूल, माय ड्यूटी शेड्यूल, बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है, फिर भी मैं जब भी कोई मुझे टाइम मिला तो मैं बोलता हूँ मैडम को कि आज अगर मैं लातूर में रहता था तो मैं एलएलएम भी कंप्लीट कर पाता था वहाँ पे, लेकिन अभी ठीक है। ये भी बहुत सारा दयानंद लॉ कॉलेज ने मुझे प्यार दिया है, और दयानंद लॉ कॉलेज वहाँ का स्टाफ, दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कॉलेज इन मराठवाड़ा और द महाराष्ट्र, बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू द डिसिप्लिन कि मुझे एक याद है किस्सा कि मुझे फोन आ गया और मैं लेक्चर में था और एक अर्जेंटली मुझे कॉलेज अटेंड करना था। तो मैं जब बाहर आ गया हॉल के नीचे, तो नीचे प्रिंसिपल मैडम खड़ी थी और मैडम ने बोले, वेयर आर गोइंग मैम, आई एम अ डॉक्टर। नो नो, आई विल नॉट एक्सक्यूज यू। So like this is the whatever may be my position, but I was there as a student, so behave like a student. जैसा एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ मैं कि जैसे डिलीवरी में स्टेजेस रहते, स्टेजेस ऑफ डिलीवरी। बच्चा जैसा जन्म लेता है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हेनेवर ही इज इन द होम, यूट्रस में रहता है, आईच्या गर्भाशयात ज्यावेळेस बाळ असतं त्याची एक पोझिशन असते, त्याला एक ऍटिट्यूड असतो, त्या ऍटिट्यूडचं नाव असतं युनिव्हर्सल ऍटिट्यूड. दॅट युनिव्हर्सल ऍटिट्यूड इज लाइक दिस, कि उसके हैंड्स ऐसे फ्लेक्स रहते हैं, वैसे उसकी गर्दन नीचे रहती है ऐसे, तो उसकी गर्दन नीचे रहती है. एंड ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ दैट डिलीवरी, से फॉर लाइक सपोज आई एम और यू आर एज अ स्टूडेंट and you are in the Dayanand Law College in the uterus of that college, and you have to maintain that universal attitude, that is a flex attitude, universal attitude, a humble attitude towards your faculty, towards your respected teachers. And at the time of delivery means जैसे वो पास करता है 8 stages की लास्ट स्टेज है कि there is extension of the neck. जैसे डिलीवरी होता है तो पहले बच्चे का सिर बाहर आता है, तो लाइक दैट ऐसा वो सिर बाहर आता है, तो दैट इज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ अ नेक. तो हमको ऐसा लाइफ में सिचुएशन आएगा कि जब हम सब कुछ अचीव कर लेंगे तो वी कैन एक्सटेंड आवर नेक विद डिग्निटी. वो डिग्निटी के साथ कब अपन एक्सटेंड कर पाएंगे हमारा सिर? जब हम कुछ अचीव कर पाएंगे, जब हम किसी को रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, बहुत सारा नॉलेज गेन करेंगे और बहुत सारा एंजॉय भी करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई करना है आपको, आपके जो हॉबीज है आपको उसके लिए उसका टाइम देना है आपको. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई करना है. एक घंटा आप अगर कोई क्रिकेट खेलते तो कोई क्रिकेट खेलेगा, कोई सिंगिंग करता है तो सिंगिंग. सो यू मस्ट बीइंग अ स्टूडेंट यू हैव टू दैट प्रिजर्व योर हॉबी. दैट इज वन सजेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, बिकॉज आपके पास सब कुछ है लेकिन हेल्थ नहीं है तो वो भी एक प्रॉब्लम है. सो द अगर मनी लॉस होता है तो समथिंग इज लॉस्ट, बट इफ हेल्थ इज लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग इज लॉस्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिव प्रेफरेंस टू योर हेल्थ, एंड देन फिर आपकी पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना है और आपके हॉबीज को उसको भी ये करना है, एंजॉय करना है. तो और दूसरी चीज ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि आप अगर मतलब अभी देर इज अ वेरी टाइम कम है, तो मैं आपको ये नहीं करूंगा कि नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल क्या इश्यूज है, जैसे हमको कैसा काम करना है. जैसे मैंने मूड कोर्ट का इशू, जैसे मूड कोर्ट रहता है कि आपको वहां पे एक कोर्ट का जैसा सिनेरियो दिया जाता है कि जैसे आप कोर्ट में कैसे अपीयर होंगे, कैसे एग्जामिनेशन अचीव करेंगे, क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन कैसे करेंगे, ऑनरेबल जज कैसे डिलीवर करते हैं जजमेंट वगैरह, वो सारी चीजें मूड कोर्ट रहता है. तो हमारे जो डॉक्टर्स रहते हैं वो जब कोर्ट में अटेंड करते हैं कि देयर इज अ वेरी बिग अप्रीहेंशन इन देयर माइंड अबाउट द जुडिशरी, बिग फियर. व्हाई they want, there is unnecessarily unrelevant hours in the court, कि हम उनको लगता है कि बहुत परेशानी हो जाती है, वो कुछ भी पूछते हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, बराबर है. हर कोई का हक है. there is a right to the accused and right to the victim to get the justice, isn't it? तो वो तैयारी करके आते हैं तो हमको भी तैयारी करना पड़ेगा. तो आप शायद आगे जाके गवर्नमेंट प्रैक्टिस करेंगे या फिर प्राइवेट एज ए डिफेंस काउंसिल बोल के प्रैक्टिस करेंगे या फिर ऑनरेबल जुडिशरी में आप काम करेंगे. तो ये सारे चीजें आपको कितना नॉलेज है, कितना एक्सपीरियंस है, ये बहुत डिटरमाइन करता है. ये भी इतना ही डिटरमाइन करता है कि अपना लर्निंग एटीट्यूड कितना है. हाँ, आप बोलेंगे कि मेरे पास डिग्री है तो वो सफिशिएंट नहीं है. आपको क्या करना है, भले आपके पास डिग्री है लेकिन उसके साथ जितना एडिशनल नॉलेज आप ले सको, कहीं से भी नॉलेज हर तरफ है, तो आपको सिर्फ वो ऑब्जर्वेशनल स्किल चाहिए, वो सिर्फ वो अपनी इतनी ताकत चाहिए कि हम अपने खुद के लिए, अपने घर वालों के लिए और अपने सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ कर पाए. दूसरे एक चीज बोलूंगा कि अभी के नौजवान बहुत ही मतलब कुछ थोड़ा भी प्रॉब्लम आए तो वो डिप्रेशन में चले जा रहे हैं, कोई कमिट कर रहा है, सुसाइड कर रहा है. तो इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी बिग चैलेंज टू देम, माँ बाप के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए वेरी ट्रॉमा. कल ही मैंने एक 13 साल की बच्ची जो 4थी मंजिल से उसने छलांग लगाई और उसमें डेथ हो गई उसकी. तो वेरी ऐसे बहुत सारे सिचुएशन है, उसमें हमको डील करना पड़ता है. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में हमको खुद को बहुत मतलब वी शुड बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, वी शुड बी वेरी स्ट्रांग, मेंटल टफनेस इज अ वेरी नेसेसरी। कि आपको बहुत सारे माइलस्टोन अचीव करना है तो आप वो डेफिनेटली करेंगे। एंड दयानंद लॉ कॉलेज एंड वहाँ के स्टाफ आपको उसमें वो मकान हासिल करने के लिए आपको बहुत आपसे मेहनत करवाएंगे और आप खुद भी मेहनत करेंगे। और इसी के साथ ये थोड़े डिस्कशन के साथ मैं आपको देयर इज आल्सो इमोशनल क्वोशंट एंड इंटेलिजेंट आईक्यू। तो ऐसा कभी मत समझना कि भाई हमें भाई मैं इस फील्ड में क्यों आ गया, मेरे पास दूसरे ऑप्शन थे, मैं इससे अच्छा कर पाता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं रहता है। हम कोई भी फील्ड रहो, हम कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, हम उतने कितना उसमें मेहनत करते हैं, वो सबसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। हर कोई अगर एक्टिंग के फील्ड में सभी जाता है लेकिन हर कोई हीरो नहीं बन पाता, बराबर है। डॉक्टर तो सभी है लेकिन वहां पे तो आप तो बेस्ट सर्जन के पास जाना चाहेंगे, बेस्ट फिजिशियन के पास जाना चाहेंगे। मैं अगर किसी वकील के पास जाना चाहूंगा तो मैं भी सबसे बेस्ट कौन है। तो ऐसा नहीं कि बेस्ट क्या रहता है, परफेक्ट क्या रहता है। हम जितना मेहनत करेंगे उतना आगे जाएंगे। और सक्सेस और फेलियर दीज आर द अप्स एंड डाउन्स ऑफ द लाइफ। सो डोंट टेक इट इज वेरी सीरियसली एंड डोंट थिंक इट इज इमोशनली। आपको जिंदगी में प्रैक्टिकली थिंक करना है, यही मैं आपको इस ओकेजन पे आपको सजेशन देना चाहूंगा। और मुझे ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन, ऑनरेबल नाथानी मैडम, प्रिंसिपल मैडम, महाजन मैडम और रिस्पेक्टेड फैकल्टीज and other staff given me this opportunity. I am very thankful to all of them for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your adorable experience and extraordinary experience, because we are common people and not having a fear of only thought of a postmortem and a forensic departments like that, like it. And you are working exactly over here and giving a justice to the victims. Thank you so much for came here for us, only for us from your hectic schedule. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Let's proceed the program further. Every body, every structure and organs and have their coordinator and have their structure. As having the integral part of this college, you all students are a part of this college and staff, we should need to know the parts, departments and cell of these colleges. First, I would like to invite the Dr. G. Lakshman sir for delivering the information about the Dayanand Law College's grievance cell. Dr. G. Lakshman sir.
Hello? May
Yes,
I
sir. You're
audible?
Yes, sir. You're
Okay.
audible, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. I, Dr. G. Lakshman, Faculty of Law, Dayanand College of Law, Latur. I have been associated with a noble teaching profession in the college for considerable years, and also additional works are attached with the college grievance redressal cell. In short form, it is called as CGRC. Now I wish to make you aware that the CGRC, it has been statutorily designed, formed, and regulated in the Dayanand College of Law, Latur, in the streamlines of section 112A, subsection 1, and clause B of the UGC redressal of grievances of students regulations 2023. It is mandatory in the higher educational institution to achieve the noble ideas of higher education. The policy adopted for the CGRC is that when students see their actions and voices is not only valued, but also empowered. They begin to turn from motivation-free motivated. Further, the formation of the CGRC intends that it has been designed to monitor and take measures against the grievances of faculty, staff, and students. Further, it aims of the CGRC is to develop a responsive, accountable attitude among all the stakeholders to uphold a harmonious higher education environment on campus. Further, representation of the CGRC by representation by the CGRC, the principal, teaching staff, and students. And further, the role of the CGRC to accept written grievances from students and staff related the system, and to create and implement mechanism to handle the reported grievances towards the finding to the management if necessary for further action. Further, College Grievance Redressal Cell offers that CGRC regularly conducting meeting and monitors the grievance in the law college. It offers necessary measures to be taken by the administrative action to resolve the matters. The purpose of CGRC is that to hear, investigate, and resolve students' complaints, grievances, or conflicts. Further, the form of grievances in the college, academic and non-academic grievances, and complaints of unlawful discrimination and unfair treatments, etc. Further, the grievance redressal cell has been set up in the college for honestly understand the grievances of students, parents, etc., and to ensure corrective action. Further, CGRC intended to find out the solutions or redress as and when the following things may rise, that is a physical, mental, and teaching methodology, classroom and teaching, and classroom management, and completion of syllabus, etc. So these are the certain grievances going to be exercised in the college. And thank you for your giving information. Thank you for providing this information. Okay, bye. Hello.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now you know that ICC is playing important role in our college, and library is playing as important as knowing having our mobile phone in a role of playing for the your academics, by the way. And our SA Mahajan ma'am have the in charge of library, ICC, and Women Study Center. I would like to invite SA Mahajan ma'am for giving the information about yourself.
Yes, thank you. Our college has internal complaint committee, and it is a committee that deals with the complaints of sexual harassment and other forms of discrimination in the workplace. The committee works with its objective to preventing sexual harassment, creating a safe, secure workplace, promoting awareness about the sexual harassment, and developing and ensuring to implement a policy against sexual harassment, and upholding a commitment to a gender free environment. So yeah, in our college campus, suppose any student having any complaint about the sexual harassment or any teasing, so they can directly approach to our principal ma'am, or directly they come towards me and write and complaint. Another center, Women Studies Center coordinator, I am
Excuse
also
me.
having that. Yes, madam.
Hello. Yeah,
madam.
sorry for interruption. Please inform that online facility is also available for lodging the complaint on website. Directly they can access it.
Yes, madam. On our college website, online complaint mechanism is there. So student can directly complain online also with, suppose they are having any proof, they can upload that proof also on that complaint. Okay. Another coordinatorship is with me, that is Women Studies Center, and that Women Studies Center is working for the welfare or gender sensitization awareness program is conducted by the Women Studies Center. And our traditional social structure, cultural norms and value systems continue to place Indian women in a situation of disadvantage in terms of role relationship, their decision making and sharing responsibility. Their social status is still shrouded by a variety of institutional complexes, interpersonal relations, and myths. This center is constituted to enable them stand in great task of national development and to make them know about their role and status in students' social, economic, educational, legal, cultural, and political spheres. It is intending to promote the strength and strengthen women's studies through teaching, intending research, dissemination of knowledge, and field action. The center has accepted the social responsibility to spread the feminist perspective, develop and empower the woman, and to create gender sensitization to increase the sensitivity of people at large towards women and their problems. So many useful programs were conducted by Women Studies Center. I appeal all students to join that program and know more about these programs. Another department is with me, that is library. All are know about that library is a heart of any institution. Likewise, it is also in our institution, it is a heart of institution. It is enriched with 21,000 of books and more than 8,000 of journals. Apart from book material, it is enriched with various online, offline, educational, and legal databases such as Enlist, Manupatra, Live Law, Law Finder, AIR Dongle, etc. etc. Library provides services such as circulation, book circulation, OPAC, reference service, book bank facility for SC/ST students, internet browsing, internet library loan facility, newspaper clipping board, syllabus and question paper sets, and open access to students in the library. And through various activities, library explore their services. Library activity includes SOL software, which housing library operations and transactions, then OPAC system, display of new arrival book list. In OPAC, students can find newly arrived books, book exhibitions, many book exhibitions subject wise also conducted by the library for the benefit of students. Then library orientation programs not only give the information about library, but various databases available in the library and how to use that databases. Then library visit also conducted to know about more about the library, its stacking system and location of books. Then feedback and suggestion box is also provided for the students. So this is all about the work with me in the college campus. So students are requested, if they are having any doubt or problems, they can directly come and contact with me. Thank you.
Excuse me, madam. All students are also informed that we have Instagram page and Facebook page. So please follow it so that all the updates you may be getting at your phone. All are requested to
Yes.
please follow the Facebook page and Instagram page of our college.
Yes, madam. In our library orientation program, I have already informed them about to subscribe Facebook and Instagram and follow YouTube channel also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Vaishnavi. You can proceed further.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All you know that cultural programs help us building and structuring us. The Anand College of Law have a strong guide through Dr. P.G. Shinde sir and Anand Ramdasi sir. Dr. P.G. Shinde sir, I would like to invite you to guide the students regarding your colorful department. P.G. Shinde sir. Are you there, sir?
Hello, hello, hello. Am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir. You can proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Anand Ramdasi. I am here on the behalf of our cultural department head, PG Shinde sir, Pramod Shinde sir. Actually, whenever we say a lawyer, there is a one quote which I have been hearing since my first year. A lawyer should know everything about something, and a lawyer should know everything, something about everything, and everything about something. This is a quote. So it is an art. Advocacy is an art. So whenever we speak of art, there has to be something which develops that thing. Like cultural department is a thing which promotes students to their various abilities. Like they can, while our cultural department organizes various competitions, programs like debate and all others, in which the speaking skills of students is improvised and they get helped when they are practicing. Not only this, our cultural department organizes various programs, annual gathering, and now as of now, I am also part of that. A student, as a student, I am going to a youth festival in to Nanded. So it is a huge opportunity. Who are from the background of music, all or other drama, they can promote their hobbies as well while pursuing their main course. So it develops, like, not only this, while doing this, Shinde sir or other sirs, teachers gives us small works to manage. So we understand how to manage things, how to do better in work. All these things have been managed by our cultural department, and I'm very grateful to be a part of it. And I encourage all of you to participate in every and all the programs which cultural department organizes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now I would like to proceed the program further. You know that career guidance is getting more and more important nowadays. Otherwise, students get stuck in a one direction or stuck in a one way. So that all you know that students, we have a career guidance cell, an anti-ragging cell, an associate alumni association cell handling by the ND Zadhav sir. We know that ND Zadhav sir is strictly with us, and I would like to request ND Zadhav sir to address the students about your department. ND Zadhav sir.
Vaishnavi, I think sir have not joined the program.
Okay, I apologize.
Take our next department.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. In the world of wholesome social media, students are getting depressed nowadays, and students are going in a wrong direction. We all know that. So that our college is here to guide you through the student councils, students welfare committee, and research committee.
and continuous internal evaluation. Here the Dr. S.B. Mane sir will guide about their department and their working and role. S.B. Mane sir. Are you there, sir? S.B. Mane sir. Ma'am, he is currently available or not? I think he is currently not available. Sorry. Now I would like to invite Dr. Shubhamgi V. Panchar ma'am, has took a charge of Internal Quality Assurance Cell and Legal Aid Committee, which is ensured by the Indian Constitution of Directive Principles of State Policy. I would like to invite Dr. Shubhangi Pancha ma'am to lead the students about their cell. Shubhangi Pancha ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much, Vaishnavi. First of all, I really, from the bottom of my heart, I welcome all our freshers, because after the very long and strict admission process, you have reached here, and we are very happy to welcome you on our campus. And I ensure that you will be having a very great journey of all your 3 years and 4 years in our college. And of course, you will be adding to the reputation of the college also. On this occasion, I am here to as the IQS coordinator of our college. At the same time, the Department of Legal Aid Clinic is given to me. So I would like to introduce my department to all the students and also inculcate an interest in them to join the various activities conducted by the Legal Aid Clinic. Being a law college, it is our moral duty, as well as it will become our professional duty also, that the law graduates have to learn about providing the legal knowledge, the legal awareness, and the legal help to the clients as well as the persons in need. So to make the students capable of pursuing their career successfully and dealing with the clients, understanding the social consciousness about the legal problems, legal issues of the society, every law college has the legal aid clinic. And our legal aid clinic specially focuses on this particular issue. With this view, we conduct many legal awareness programs. On the on-site, we arrange different various kind of legal awareness programs by inviting the guests. I would like to just share to show the glimpse of the activities of our legal aid, and it will just take 2 minutes. We had conducted some international seminars on mediation, and we have also conducted the legal awareness camps. Whether the file is visible? The mediation training program is also conducted by inviting the mediators, the accredited mediators to our college. These were the online programs. Special Legal Aid Clinic also celebrates the Constitution Day, and as one of its drive to create awareness among the constitution for the constitutional values and rights of the people, the pledge preamble reading is being conducted. All these programs, many of the programs are conducted in collaboration with the district legal service authorities. So we conduct the extension programs so that the students get to know about the problems of the realities of the society also. So these webinars, I would like to also mention that our students had conducted in last 2 years, they had participated very actively in the Pan India Legal Literacy Program. This program wherein the students went to different villages, the groups of students went to different villages and created the legal awareness. They told about the different legal provisions to the people in different villages, and we have got a very good appreciation from the legal aid department, the legal services department, as well as the villagers at different villages.
So almost 45 villages were covered in the previous years by our students, wherein different programs have been there. At the same time, to make the students familiar with the Lok Adalat and the legal process, the Legal Aid Clinic conducts the visits to the Lok Adalat. The students participate and observe the Lok Adalat proceedings. At the same time, even jail visits are also conducted. So in all, we are trying to build, and these are the glimpses of the legal aid camp which are being conducted. The skits are being performed by the students on various topics. We interact with the surveys, social legal surveys are conducted, and rallies are taken at the villages. So we this is the court visit and the Lok Adalat visit. We also visit the family courts and the consumer courts. So making our students more familiar with the actual legal processes and the legal authorities, that is our efforts. And to make them land in a very good career, that's also one of our focus. So this was a really glimpse, and I really plead for our students that yes, even I invite them to the legal aid clinic and take more and more participation in the activities of the legal aid clinic. So without taking much time, I think here I would like to stop, and I will give the charge to the anchor. Yes, Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, I will just
now
stop
I would-
sharing.
Yeah, ma'am. Do it.
Thank you. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, file is still visible. Now,
Is it okay now, Vaishnavi?
yes, ma'am. Yes, it's okay now.
Thanks.
Now, I would like to tell you all that sports play an important role in our daily life and wholesome lifestyle, and which builds in a way that we have a spirit about the winning, losing, failure. We teach so many things through the sports, so that then in education societies, then in law college have a sports department which is having the in charge of VV Chinte sir. I would like to invite Dr. VV Chinte sir for giving guidance to the student. Dr. VV Chinte sir. Are you available, sir? Dr.
No,
V.V.
Vaishnavi,
Chinte.
no, sir, I
Okay.
have not joined.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Dr.
Madam, sir is available.
Gigi.
He is unable to join the meeting. He is there only, madam.
Okay, shall I wait for him or shall I proceed further?
1 minute, I am checking.
Okay, we will wait for him.
No, Vaishnavi, he is not there in the meeting. We are unable to connect him.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Now I would like to invite Dr. Gigi Panchar, sir, who is in charge of Human Right Education Center and also the University Exam and Equal Opportunity Cell. Dr. Gigi Panchar, sir, please take a charge. Gigi Panchar, sir.
हे होत नाही बघा.
Yes, sir. Sir Panchar, sir, you're audible.
Vaishnavi, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, you're
Okay,
audible.
okay. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. respected principal, respected Professor Dr. Khatri sir, resource person of today's induction program, all the faculty members and my beloved students. Very good afternoon, one and all. Since 2006, I am working here as a lecturer. As on today, I am associate professor and I'm interested with the two basic departments. First one is the university examination. As you know, the examination and evaluation plays vital role in the life of the student. So soon you join this college, and in coming month, the examination from university will conduct the examination. So as chief superintendent of the examination, I appeal to everyone, do study much and much. As you does study, you feel so happy. Gaining knowledge is so pleasurable. Around the clock, you supposed to study. Examiners, whatever he may raise question, examiners having options, but you don't have. You feel whatever they ask, you can very comfortably answer to it. Very transparently, very peaceably, fearlessly, fairly, we are conducting examinations at our college. Examination department is assisted by Professor Katekar sir, non-teaching staff, even other faculty members. They will help us in smooth conduct of the university examination. Again, I am deployed with one more department, that is Human Rights Education Center. Human Rights Education Center is since 2010 is established and continued in our college. This department works for dual purpose: conduct co-curricular activities, as well as second is conduct extension activities. So far as curricular activities, 6 months certificate course we are conducting. University affiliated this course, and after due conduct of the classes, the evaluation process through conduct of the examination, result is declared, and the university certify and issue a certificate individually in the name of students who enrolled for the certificate course. This course has importance lies with value added course. Students who take admission can go with the prescribed curricula. The library is open for him. The study material is available in the college library, and even faculty members, they will support you. Classes will be conducted. I appeal to every student to join the human rights certificate course. Second thing is, this department conduct various extension activities in form of conducting the socio-legal surveys, conducting rallies, conducting various tours, and in campus also we are conducting various seminars, lecture series, so that a human right value should be inculcated among the student. In our throughout this 5-year and 3-year course program, you may be crossed with the one of the semester, the human rights and international law, but even then specifically to develop the value add human right culture, everyone should be respected to each other, live and let live. Everyone should know what is our basic right. inherent right, natural right, inalienable right, a right which are protected by laws. So a legal framework pertaining to the human right preservation, protection, conservation is concerned, what the law is exist and what sort of movement is exist. So in this regard, we are conducting the courses, we are conducting extension activities. Appeal to everyone, come forward, come to me. I will admit you. We will conduct very well the course, and university will issue certificate that will be more and more beneficial for you wherever you may go in the world as an NGO, in company, in legal profession, in service sector. This certificate has much and much importance. With this word, I thanks to organizer of this induction program and Vaishnavi, principal madam, and Khedre sir. With this word, I am closing, madam. Thank you very much. Over to you, Vaishnavi.
Thank you, sir. Now we all know that sports department is here to facilitate you all students. Dr. V.V. Chinte sir is available now. I would like to give a charge to the V.V. Shinde sir to guide the students. Dr. V.V. Chinte sir.
Chinte sir. Chinte sir, please unmute and join the meeting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible. You're not audible still. You're not audible, sir.
Sir, please unmute. Unmute the speak. Sir, on audio, please click once.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible now.
Now you are audible, sir.
Hello.
हाँ sir, proceed.
आवाज येते?
हो सर, आवाज येतोय आता.
Yes.
चेअरपर्सन डॉक्टर केंद्रे सर, प्राचार्य नथानी मॅडम, कोऑर्डिनेटर संगीता महाजन मॅडम, सर्व विद्यार्थी. मी डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिजिकल एज्युकेशन अँड स्पोर्ट्स या पदावर जवळपास 20 वर्षापासून या महाविद्यालयामध्ये आहे. या संस्थेमध्ये व आमच्या महाविद्यालयामध्ये अतिशय उत्तम असे दर्जेदार क्रीडा मैदान आहे. त्यामध्ये आहे इंटरनॅशनल ग्रीन लॉन कोर्ट, टर्फ विकेट, क्रिकेट, नॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल कोर्ट, स्टेडियम आहे. व त्यानंतर आपल्याकडे आहे इंटरनॅशनल लेवलचे इंडोर हॉल आहे बॅडमिंटनचा. तो एकदम सुसज्ज असा इंडोर हॉल आहे. व मुलींसाठी व मुलांसाठी सेपरेट असे नॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल दर्जाचे साहित्य आणून आम्ही जिम तयार केलेले आहे. तसेच लॉन टेनिस, व्हॉलीबॉल, फुटबॉल, हँडबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, क्रिकेट, खो खो, कबड्डी असे दर्जेदार असे मैदान आमच्या संस्थेमध्ये व आमच्या महाविद्यालयाने आम्हाला उपलब्ध करून दिलेले आहेत. खेळाडूसाठी एकदम चांगली अशी संधी उपलब्ध करून दिलेली आहे. तसेच सेपरेट असे डिपार्टमेंट आहे. या डिपार्टमेंट मध्ये दर्जेदार असे नॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल दर्जेदार असे साहित्य आहेत. त्यामध्ये क्रिकेटच्या इंग्लिश येलो जे की नॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल लेवलचे प्लेयर वापरतात असे बॅट्स आपण विद्यार्थ्यांना अवेलेबल करून दिलेले आहेत. बॅडमिंटनच्या देखील युनिक्सच्या फिदर कॉक असे आम्ही विद्यार्थ्यांना अवेलेबल करून दिलेले आहेत. दर्जेदार असे साहित्याने आमचं देखील सज्ज आहे. तसेच एकूण आतापर्यंत आमच्या मी जॉईन झाल्यापासून 170 ते 80 विद्यार्थी इंटरनॅशनल आंतरमहाविद्यालयीन आंतरविद्यापीठ ऑल इंडिया टुर्नामेंटमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या खेळामध्ये सहभाग नोंदवून आलेले आहेत. काही जण मेडलिस्ट पण आहेत. आपला विशाल लोखंडे हा खेळाडू नॅशनल मध्ये चेस मध्ये गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट आहे. तसेच कराटेमध्ये मस्के हा खेळाडू इंटरनॅशनल इथे दिल्ली येथे मॅचेस झाले होते, त्याच्यामध्ये तो 2014-15 मध्ये विनर झालेला होता. असे बरेच विद्यार्थी आहेत जे की खेळामधून पुढे गेलेले आहेत व आता सध्याही बरेच असे पोलीस मध्ये मोठ्या मोठ्या पदावर असे खेळाडू गेलेले आहेत. त्याच पद्धतीने आपल्या विद्यापीठातर्फे जे खेळाडू फर्स्ट सेकंड येतात त्यांना मार्कामध्ये देखील ॲडिशनल आहे. 10 मार्क त्यांना ॲडिशनल म्हणून मार्क्स मेमो मध्ये येतात. तसेच आमची संस्था देखील काही मागे पडलेली नाही. आमची संस्था खेळाडूसाठी जे खेळाडू प्रथम द्वितीय येतात किंवा इंटर युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑल इंडिया खेळतात त्यांच्यासाठी दर्जेदार अशी शिल्ड व रोख पारितोषिक बक्षीस देते. याप्रमाणे आमच्या महाविद्यालयामध्ये भरपूर असे खेळाडू घडून गेलेले आहेत. भरपूर असे खेळाडू स्वतः इंटरेस्ट देऊन इथे खेळण्यासाठी येतात. त्याच पद्धतीने आपल्याकडे मुलींसाठी कॉमन त्यांच्या मुलींच्या कॉमन हॉलमध्ये लुडो तसेच कॅरम याची देखील सुविधा आपण केलेली आहे. मुलांसाठी व मुलींसाठी टेबल टेनिसचा वेगळा असा हॉल आपण तयार केलेला आहे. या पद्धतीने आमच्या महाविद्यालयाने व संस्थेने खेळासाठी भरपूर असे आपणाला उपलब्ध करून दिलेले आहे. त्याच पद्धतीने जे खेळाडू आणखीन दर्जेदार असे बनण्याचे इच्छुक असतात त्यांच्यासाठी आम्ही बाहेरून देखील निपुण असे कोच मागून त्यांचे प्रशिक्षण घेतो व त्यांना तयार करतो. या पद्धतीने आमच्या खेळाची खेळाचे हे करून आमच्या संस्थेने आम्हाला पाठपुरावा करून एकदम उत्तम असे खेळाचे मैदाने आणि साहित्य उपलब्ध करून दिले. तरी या सर्व गोष्टीचा येणाऱ्या सर्व खेळाडूने पूर्वीपर फायदा घ्यावा. आम्ही त्यांच्यासाठी अहोरात्र झटण्यासाठी तयार आहोत व झटत पण आहोत. त्यांनी याचा फायदा घ्यावा. हेल्थ काही कुण्या कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये जरी तुम्ही फर्स्ट सेकंड नाही जरी आलात तरी तुमच्या हेल्थसाठी म्हणून तुम्ही खेळण्यासाठी ग्राउंडवर यावे. हे एवढे माझे 2 शब्द मी बोलून मी नमस्कार करतो. जय हिंद. धन्यवाद मॅडम. Hello.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Now I would like to proceed the program further. You all know that national service schemes, which played an important role in making and building this nation powerfully and helping in a disaster management. I'm glad to say that I am even the student of NSS National Service Scheme, and still we have the facility of national service schemes where students can be an all-rounder. The Professor Yu Katekar sir is here to taking an in charge of this department. I would like to request for leading the students about your department, sir. Professor Yu Katekar sir. Professor Yu Katekar sir. Ma'am, is he available?
Yes, he is available. Katekar sir, are you there, sir?
I think he is unable to connect with us.
you ask
need
for next
wait.
information.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. And one of the last thing I need to convey with you is that we are going to deal with the profession of advocacy, where you speak and you win. And communication, especially, we need to develop the fluent legal communication skills to build our profession eagerly. Advocate R.R. Shetty sir is here to guide us in a field of court. I would like to lead this charge to the UU R.R. Shetty sir.
Thank
Yes.
you, Panchal.
Yes.
I hope I'm audible properly.
Yes, sir, you're audible. You can proceed
Thank
now.
you. Thank you. Namaskar and good evening to you all. I, Ravindra R. Shetty, Assistant Professor, along with Advocate M.M. Patan sir, have been given the responsibility to conduct various activities of moot court, which is essential part of your legal education, which is prescribed by the Bar Council of India as well as the university, and which is very essential for the development, overall growth of the student. I might as well say that it is the heart and soul of the legal education. Within the given time, I will give a brief introduction of what is moot court and what is the complexities of moot court. Moot court is a simulation of higher judiciary. When we say higher judiciary, it is High Court and the Supreme Court. As far as the various procedures of High Court and Supreme Court is concerned, we do it through moot court, and the activities and the procedures of the lower court is known as mock trial. So, through this procedure, how do we learn the procedures of higher judiciary? We do simulation, we do enactment as if in an artificial court, as if the proceedings of the High Court and the Supreme Court are underway. That is how we learn. Now, I would like to give an example of other professions like the doctor's profession or the medical profession, where the students learn their skills not only through gaining the knowledge of medicine, medical jurisprudence, but they do attend the hospitals to learn how a doctor diagnoses a patient and prescribes medicine by actually participating in the diagnosis process, as well as helping the senior doctors in surgery. That is how they develop their skills, and that is very essential part of their practice. But we do not have such kind of things. We develop these things through participation in moot court, where we select a decided case from the Supreme Court or the High Court. Then we actually present those cases before the High Court in an artificial court. So that is how we develop. And apart from that, we also participate in chamber visits or internship with a practicing lawyer to gain the first-hand experience of how the documents are drafted, how the oral presentation is made in the courts by actually participating in the internships. Now, there are various stages which are going to be taught in the moot court classes while you practically involve yourself in these activities. While administration of justice, the procedure which is followed by the High Court and the Supreme Court as well as the trial court. These procedures are taught to you by actually making you to participate in the activities, like various stages which the students go through is a case study. And when you take up a case, decided case are taken up usually during moot court presentation. Various cases pertaining to constitutional cases, criminal cases, as well as civil cases. Now, various steps which are involved in a presentation of a case is like taking up a case, detailed study of that case, conducting various researches on that particular case, as well as research on citations. And then drafting of the memorial, which is essential part. Drafting is a essential required skill you have to develop, because half of the case is won if you draft a good memorial or good pleadings in the actual court. After that, how you present your oratory skills, how you make a orator submission before the court. That is also very essential. While you do that, apart from how you use your oratory skills, what is important is how you observe the various etiquettes, court mannerisms, etiquettes, your dressing sense, how you address the court, how you address your opposite counsel. All this matters, and ultimately it will lead to your winning a case. So how you use your legal language, that is also important. And apart from that moot court presentation, we have internship is a part of moot court procedure also, where you attend the office of a reputed lawyer or a lawyer at least practicing since several years. Then infrastructure is available in our college, which is an exact replica of the courts. I request some participant in the session to mute their mics, please. So the exact replica of all the real courts is made available by our management and the administration of the college in room number 1099 in the first floor. I invite all the students and come at least observe once to realize how the college provides all these facilities for practical purposes. The college has moot court club, which conducts moot court sessions or moot court lectures every Saturday. We had an inauguration where Principal District Judge Patil sir had attended this function and inaugurated that function. I'm very proud to say that the moot court has been successfully sending teams to participate in various competitions, national as well as state level competitions, where they have won many trophies as well as accolades for our reputed institutions. And I'll ensure you and ensure that all the new students, if they come to us and they participate with dedication and sincerity, we will prepare them to participate in such activities, and I'm sure they will bring many more accolades to the institutions. I invite all of you to take part in all the activities of the moot court. I would like to conclude my few words with a quote which is very relevant to the students. A lawyer's purpose is not to win cases, but to seek justice, protect rights, and advocate for those who cannot do so themselves. I myself and Advocate M.M. Patan sir are available to you during working hours, of course, in room number 111 in the first floor, and we are ready to guide you and see that this quote, what I quoted just now, will perfectly fit into you, and we will prepare you to just that. Thank you very much. And I request all the newcomers to do approach us. We will be ready to guide you all the time and resolve whatever problems you have. Thank you. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, over to you.
Yes, sir, I'm audible.
Yes.
The in charge of NSS department, Professor Yu Kartikar sir, is present over here. I would like to request Yu Kartikar sir to leading the students over your department.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, you're audible now.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, you are audible.
Okay, sir. मी सहाय्यक प्राध्यापक उमेश काटेकर, कार्यक्रमाधिकारी, राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभाग, दयानंद विधी महाविद्यालय लातूर. आपण सर्व नवप्रवेशित विद्यार्थ्यांचे या उद्बोधन कार्यक्रमामध्ये पुनश्च एकदा स्वागत करतो. माझ्याकडे राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागाचा चार्ज आहे. मी या विभागाचा कार्यक्रमाधिकारी म्हणून कार्यरत आहे. या विभागाचं वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजे हा विभाग नॉट मी बट यू या ब्रीदवाक्यासह आपलं कामकाज करत असतो. 2 ऑक्टोबर 2010 साली आपल्या महाविद्यालयामध्ये राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागाचं एका युनिटला सुरुवात झालेली आहे. आज घडीला आपल्या राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागामध्ये एकंदरीत 100 विद्यार्थ्यांचा समावेश होतो. राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागाचं वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजेच आपण समाजाचं काही देणं लागतो या उत्तरदायित्वातून हा विभाग कार्यरत असतो. विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये सेवाभावी वृत्तीची जोपासना व्हावी, त्यांच्या व्यक्तिमत्वाचा विकास घडावा. आपण ज्या समाजाचा एक अविभाज्य घटक असतो त्या समाजाची परिपूर्ण ओळख विद्यार्थ्यांना व्हावी आणि भावी आयुष्यासाठी त्यांना एक प्रकारचे संपत्ती निर्माण व्हावी या अत्यंत उदात्त भावनेतून राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभाग कार्यरत असतो. राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागाचं वैशिष्ट्य म्हणजे 2 पद्धतीनं याच्या कामकाजाचं आपल्याला वर्गीकरण करता येईल. एक म्हणजेच नियमित कार्यक्रमामध्ये विविध महापुरुषांचे जयंती पुण्यतिथीचे कार्यक्रम आपण साजरे करत असतो. त्यानंतर यामध्ये वृक्षारोपण, स्वच्छता, रक्तदान, त्याबरोबर विविध असे प्रचार फेऱ्या, त्यानंतर विविध असे रॅली इत्यादी गोष्टींचा या कार्यक्रमामध्ये समावेश होतो. त्यानंतर सर्वात महत्वाचं वैशिष्ट्य राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागाचं आपल्याला सांगता येईल ते म्हणजेच 7 दिवसांचे निवासी असे शिबिर जवळच्या एका दत्तक घेतलेल्या गावामध्ये आपण घेऊन जात असतो. या 7 दिवसांच्या शिबिरामध्ये विविध कार्यक्रमांची रेलचेल असते. जसं की विविध विद्वान व्यक्तींचे विविध अशा समाज कायदेविषयक विषयांवर आपण व्याख्यान आयोजित करत असतो. त्यानंतर मोफत दंतचिकित्सा, मोफत पशुचिकित्सा, मोफत हिमोग्लोबिन आणि रक्तगट तपासणे, त्याबरोबरच जलसाक्षरता, डिजिटल साक्षरता, मतदान जनजागृती इत्यादी महत्वाच्या विषयांवर आपण विविध कार्यक्रम आयोजित करत असतो. तर सर्वसाधारण स्वरूप राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागाचं काम करण्याचं अशा पद्धतीचं आहे. तरी या प्रसंगी मी आवाहन करू इच्छितो की अधिकाधिक विद्यार्थ्यांनी राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागामध्ये आपली नाव नोंदणी करायची असते. नाव नोंदणी करण्यासाठी दरवर्षी ऑगस्ट आणि सप्टेंबर या कालावधीमध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपली नावे कार्यक्रमाधिकारी या नात्याने माझ्याकडे जमा करायची असतात. त्यानंतर त्यामधनं एकंदरीत 100 विद्यार्थी निवडण्यात येतात, जे वर्षभर त्या ठिकाणी विविध अशा कार्यक्रमामध्ये सहभाग नोंदवत असतात. NSS मध्ये काम करण्याचा सर्वात मोठा लाभ म्हणजे तुमच्यामध्ये सेवाभावी वृत्तीची जोपासना तर होतेच, तुमच्या व्यक्तिमत्व विकासामध्ये वाढ होते. त्याबरोबरच विविध असे कला कौशल्य तुमच्या अंगी बनवले जातात. त्याबरोबर अंतिम वर्षामध्ये तुम्हाला एकंदरीत 10 मार्क हे अतिरिक्त गुण त्या ठिकाणी मिळतात. त्याबरोबरच विद्यापीठ एक सर्टिफिकेट सुद्धा तुम्हाला इश्यू करत असते. तर या समयी मी विद्यार्थ्यांना आपणा सर्वांना आवाहन करतो की अधिकाधिक विद्यार्थ्यांनी राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना विभागामध्ये आपली नाव नोंदणी करावी. मला या ठिकाणी बोलण्याची संधी दिली, मी आयोजकांचे आभार व्यक्त करतो. धन्यवाद.
Audible now, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. At the last of the moment, I want to gratitude with all of us. I eagerly want to say that gratitude is the memory of heart. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. I want to explain students about the departments for which our teachers were absent in the meeting. So, Dr. N.D. Jadhav sir, he is having career guidance cell, anti-ragging cell, and alumni association. So suppose any student having complaint about ragging, our campus is totally anti-ragging campus is there. But suppose they found any trouble within them, they can complain to and visit to Dr. N.D. Jadhav sir. Career guidance cell also organize many programs about various career opportunities, and alumni association also, they are meeting yearly and they plan out for the betterment of the college. Our second sir, Dr. S.V. Mane, he is also absent in the meeting, and he is having student council department, then student welfare committee, research committee, and continuous internal evaluation. So student council for gathering purpose, college cultural programs purpose, they can meet with Mane sir. Research committee, our college has one research cell. Students who want to after their graduation, they can go for PG and PhD in our research cell. And continuous internal evaluation, it means your in your whole semester, both semester, unit test and seminars, all things are going on internal evaluation. So students having any query or any problem with internal evaluation, they can go to this cell and ask for their complaint in writing. They can give the complaint and resolve their issues in continuous internal evaluation cell. Apart from this, our college has near about 30 contact and CHB teachers who are running the college. College is running with the help of these teachers, full-time teachers and contact teachers. So and our administrative department, that is office, which is having more important role. Students are having their exam form, their admissions in through this office. So from administrative office cell, I request and appeal all students follow the notices which are on the on WhatsApp and come within the time and complete their all process about exam form, admission, or any document suppose in queries there. So you can follow up with this department. And this is all about our college. Now I request Vaishnavi to propose the vote of thanks of the today's program. Please unmute from your side, Vaishnavi.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. I want to express my gratitude who were here for the 1 or 2 hours from last 1 or 2 hours. I would like to express my gratitude through these words. Gratitude is the memory of heart. Gratitude is rich. Complaint is poverty. Gratitude is an antidote to the negativity. I warmly thank you to all you present, beloved principal ma'am, all you newcomer students and respected guests, Dr. Radhe Raghunath Rao Khetre sir from the Dayanand Education Societies, Dayanand Law College, and especially special and pleasing warmly thank you to the Radhe Raghunath Rao Khetre sir who were present here from their high tight schedule. And respected dais, I am Vaishnavi Balaji Panchar, the student of BA LLB third year student, where took the charge of being an anchor of this program. I thank you to the coordinator who were here from last 2 days working over on this program, Dr. S.A. Mahajan ma'am, who is as a being a lady, this is such a good warm gratitude to them who are working for us. For this induction program, I declared here, this program is ended with happiness and satisfaction. Thank you so much to all of the students who are present. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you for the nice anchoring. And I thank you all from my bottom of the heart to our today's guest, Principal Ma'am, and our my colleague faculty to grace this program. Thank you one and all.